Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial, guys. In this video we will be modeling this sheet metal part in SolidWorks and we will see how to flatten it, and this is the flattened form it in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK. From here change the background to plain white, and after that click on sketch and select here top plane. From here select here center rectangle tool and make here a rectangle like this. Now let's define it. For that, select smart dimension and specify the length of this line as 60 mm and the length of this line as 42 mm. Then right click here, go to tabs, and in here you can enable the sheet metal tab. This is the sheet metal tab. Select here base flange and here specify the thickness of the plate. In my case this is 1.5 mm, the thickness of the plate. And now let's specify some color for better visualization. This is optional step. And then we can select the edge flange from here and select this edge, drag it up to here, and this one as well. And here we need to specify the radius, so uncheck this box from here, and here you need to specify the radius. In my case this is 4.5 mm, so this is the radius, which is currently the outside of the plate. So now let me I'm selecting here first type because I want it inward, and from here you need to specify the length of these edges, and after that check this box from here. And now we need to select the edge flange one more time, so select this time this one and drag it up to here. Now we need to specify the radius, so uncheck this box from here, and this time the radius is 1 mm, as you can see it from here. And now let's specify the type, so I want it to be outward from the body like this. And here you need to specify the length, so I'm specifying as 80 mm, is quite longer. Check this box from here, and now select here sheet metal gusset. We need to select two faces, 1 and 2. Sheet metal gusset will appear, and now we need to specify some parameters, so let me explain you. Offset is 25, which is fine. If you want to specify the length of this side by yourself, this is 50 mm for now. If we increase it, it will get increased lengthwise, so 50 mm is fine for my case. And if you want to increase this height, so you can increase it from here, but this is too much, so in this case 25 mm is fine. You can manually adjust it like this. And these are the two types. This is the flatter one, and here we have somewhat filleted. From here you can increase the width of this gusset, so in my case this much is fine. And you can increase the thickness, 1.5 is fine. From here you can give it some draft angle. Here you can see this is at some angle. If you can further increase it, it will have a shape like this, so 1 degree is fine. Check this box from here, and this is the sheet metal gusset. Let me show it you from behind. Okay, now let's create some corners. In this window we need to select all of these edges, all of these corners, 2, third one, and finally the fourth one. All of these have appeared here, and from here you need to specify the type. So this is the filleted one, and here specify the radius. I am specifying here 18. And then check this box from here, and after that do the same thing on the other side. Here we have two edges, so I'm selecting here one by one. This time I'm selecting the first type, and here specify the parameter, which is 12 mm, which is good for my case. And then I want to cut hole in this face, so select this face and click on sketch. You have to make a center line from here, so select a center line from this quadrant to this quadrant, make a center line. This was basically the edge of the fillet. So here make a circle and specify the diameter as 18 millimeter. Now let's extrude it, cut it. Here you need to specify through all because I want to cut hole on the other side as well, and from here you can see hole on both sides are available now. And since I want to cut more holes on this face, so select this face and click on sketch. For reference I am making two center lines. Here select yellow colored center point and make here a straight center line like this. Now select center line again and at this center I'm making another one. So select circle, I am making two circles but I will create four holes. I will only specify the diameter of one circle, that is 10 millimeter. Press escape button, hold shift key, select these two circles and make relation equal. Or if you do not want to do it, you have to specify the diameter of other circle manually, which is 10 millimeter. From this point to this point specify the distance as 35 millimeter. And since I want the same hole on the other side, so I will select mirror entities. In this entities to mirror I will select two circles mirror about this center line. When you check this box and select extruded cut, you need to specify here through all because I want to create through holes. Check this box from here and two holes are created. So this is our final model. Now let me show you how to flatten it. Go to sheet metal and when you select this flatten tool, it will get flattened like this. So this is the flattened shape. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.